On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we'll cover conditionals in SAS. We clearly explain everything from the basics to advanced uses of conditionals with the @if, @else if, and @else directives with practical examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. SAS is a stylesheet language that extends CSS, and you can control styles flexibly using conditionals. In SAS, you can use @if, @else if, and @else to switch the output of styles at compile time. Basic conditionals in SAS are written with the following syntax. @if evaluates the first condition, and if it is false, the @else if or @else blocks are evaluated in order. In the following example, the background color switches based on the $theme variable. This is what it looks like when you convert a SAS file to CSS. When $theme is dark, a dark background and white text color are applied. Conditionals handle not only string and color comparisons, but also numeric calculations. This is what it looks like when you convert a SAS file to CSS. Numeric comparisons are also possible, and when $width exceeds 1000 px, max width 1200 px is output. By nesting conditionals, you can express complex conditions. This is what it looks like when you convert a SAS file to CSS. Nesting conditionals enables styling based on both theme and size. Using conditionals inside custom functions can improve reusability. This is what it looks like when you convert a SAS file to CSS. By encapsulating conditionals in functions, you can increase reusability and maintainability. Let's look at an example of switching the overall design based on certain conditions. This is what it looks like when you convert a SAS file to CSS. You can dynamically switch the color scheme of the entire page according to the theme variable. When using SAS conditionals, you can consider the following points. Keep conditionals simple. Complex nesting hurts readability, so leveraging functions and mixins helps keep things simple. Abstract with variables and functions. If you use similar conditions in multiple places, consolidating them into variables or functions improves maintainability. Prevent bloated logic. Unify design rules as much as possible and avoid overusing conditionals. Conditionals in Sass are a very effective tool for creating flexible, dynamic styles. Here, we explained everything step by step from the basics to practical examples. When using conditionals in real projects, design with reusable code in mind while taking care not to overcomplicate things. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and check out our new videos.